Hi YouTube, what's going on? Today we'll solve problem number 190 from Leetcode, reverse bits. Let's see the problem first. Reverse bits of a given 32-bit unsigned integer. There are three concepts we need to understand before we solve this question. They are AND operator, OR operator, and bit shift operators. Let's start with AND operator. Here is the truth table for AND operation. We can see that ANDing of two bits will result in 1 only if both bits are 1. Let us take one real example. Say we have two numbers 5 and 12. To make things simple, I'm going to think these integers as 8-bit integers. Later when we solve the problem, same concepts will work without any problem for 32-bit integers as well. For 8-bit integer, 5 and 12 is represented this way. And when we AND them, this is what we get. In decimal, this is equivalent to 4. That's all about AND operator. Let's move to OR operator. Here's a truth table for OR operator. We can see that ORing of two bits will result in 1 if any or both the bits are 1. Let us take same example to clarify this. Our two numbers are 5 and 12. When we OR them, we get this. This is equivalent to 13 in decimal. Alright, now let's learn one more concept before we solve the actual problem. That is bit shifting. There are two kinds of shifting, left shifting and right shifting. Let's say we want to shift 9, which is this in binary, by 1 bit. This would be this. Notice the most significant bit, also known as MSB, will be kicked out and it's not cyclic. What do I mean by not cyclic? Let's take one more example to make it clear. Let's take the number 129, which is this in binary. Shifting this by 1 would give this. Notice the 1 from MSB gets lost. It doesn't go all the way to the first bit. Same thing happens with right shift as well. Instead of pushing 0 from left side, it would push 0 from right side. That's all we need to know to solve this problem. Let's focus on the problem now. Let's say we have 32-bit integer. Let's call this as num. We want to obtain this. Let's call this as result. To do this, we need to be able to isolate each bit from the given number. We can do this with two concepts we learned earlier, ANDing and bit shifting. If we want to isolate B0, we can do this. To isolate B1, we can do something like this. To isolate B2, we could do this. Notice these are nothing but increasing sequence of numbers. We can isolate individual bits by running a simple for loop. Now, only thing remaining is to add these isolated bits in reverse order. We can easily achieve this by ORing the result and adding 1 if bit is true, because bit becomes true only if any specific bit in num array is true. After we add it, we also need to shift the result to the left by 1. But to avoid one extra shift after 30-second shift, let's add shifting before adding the bit. This is it. The variable result should have our reversed bit. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care.